Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is an eye look video and we are going to be using the Conspiracy palette from Jeffree StarxShane Dawson. Don't you love them? Oh, I couldn't believe the series was so good and the marketing, having that series, they are geniuses. That's why they broke the internet, because they got everybody involved before they launched the palette. And it's awesome. All the information that was on there, all the tea that was spilled, I hope they do it again. I know that they're planning another mini palette because they're going to get that green back in there. But I hope they do a series to go with it, because that was the key to this big launch. I mean, they're great anyways, and they did have a lot of subscribers, but I really think that series, the first series and that series, that was the ticket. Anyways, here is what the palette looks like. Get the mirror out of the way. Isn't it beautiful? I don't even know what colors we're going to use. I just couldn't help but want to use it. So that's what we're going to do. Actually, I'm in a hurry because I'm always in a hurry, right? So we're going to go in with first this. It's called, I don't know what it's called. Tacoma? That's what it looks like. Oh, Tanacon. And we're going to start that with that for our transition color. Oh, I have to put some eye base on first. My Essence eye base. Then I'm going to spread that out with my sponge real quick. So now we're going to go in with that Tanacon, which is this color right here, this kind of beige. So pretty. And we're just going to use this for our transition. Go up a little. This is going to be a simple look. I'm not going to use all these bright colors because we're going to the movies. We're going to see Frozen 2. Came out yesterday. And I'm too excited because I loved Frozen 1. Okay, now we're going to go in with something dark. Maybe this green guy. Oh, that's pretty. It's pretty dark too. So that's what we're going to go in with. We're going to go in with Illuminati. And we're going to put that in the outer corner. I still feel like I have something in my eye, but I see nothing. So, where did it go? I think I'm going to pull this all the way across in the crease lightly. And then I think I'm going to take the brush I used for my, oh, didn't show you Illuminate. Illuminate is this one right here. And now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this one right here and put it just above that, since we went green. Just kind of blend the two in with that light green. I like it. Now I'm going to take this white and put it on this center pot. Yes. And then I'm going to take this light green, the brush with the light green, and just blend those two. Little bit. I have one spot on this eye that is being obstinate. There. Better. Oops. I think I'm going to take this skinny brush and this light green and just put it right here between the two as a blend. Yes, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the black in this palette and line my eyes with it using it. So the three colors, I don't know if I showed them to you. I used this light green, which is Conspiracy. I used this first one, which is Ranch. I love that one. And then this one was Illuminati. And then I also used, the first one I used was Tanacon right there. So now I'm using the black one, which is My Rides Here. I'm not going to show it to you, it's black. And I'm just going to start in the middle. And then after some of it's off my brush, go towards the center. And then I'm just going back over it to deepen it up a bit. I am also going to pull it up into a bit of a wing. This is kind of a smudgy wing. Okay, there was quite a bit of fallout, which brushed right off, but I have a lot on the bottom of my eye. So I'm just going to take a Q-tip and clean that up. Because I prefer not to put too much underneath because it, you know, draws attention to underneath. Okay, I'm gonna go, oh wait, I was gonna try, and I have this new eyebrow pencil. I got it, it's NYX, and I am going to use it today. It is the NYX Professional Makeup, oh, that doesn't say it what it is. I can't see what it is. Come on guys, you know I can't see. Let's see, Precision Brow Pencil. What the heck? Oh. Okay, has a lid and a spoolie. Spoolie on one end, and then it's not a triangle. Well, yeah, it is. It's one of those triangle ones. I thought it was a more precision one, but, you know, whatever. So I'm going to brush them up. And then I'm just going to go in and see how this looks. I had heard that NYX had one that was, you know, the dupe for Anastasia, but I never know which one it is, and they have quite a few. So I thought, I'm just going to try it. Now, see, it's too light as far as I'm concerned because my eyebrows, my actual eyebrows, are darker. It started off really good, but now it's getting kind of muddy. Wait a minute. What do you think, guys? I think I got too much right there. Let's brush it and see. I still think I got too much right there. Otherwise it looks pretty good, huh? It's pretty light though. All right, let's go in with that gel. Actually, the more I brushed it, the lighter it got, so I should probably put a little bit more back in, especially right there on that scar. Better? Let's go in with this. This is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist. It's like eyebrow mascara or something like that. What do you think? And this is Light Brunette. Brow Stylist Boost and Set. I kind of like it, but I do think my eyebrows are darker than it. Okay guys, I'm gonna go off camera, do my lashes. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I put my mascara on. I used my Charlotte Tilbury Volume 2, Legendary Lashes Volume 2. For my lashes, I put 2 coats on. For my lips, I used my Revlon Cushion Lipstick in Fancy Rose. I did put on some spray when I was off camera. So that's it for our first look at the Conspiracy palette. We are going to be doing a lot more looks with this. I'm going to intermittent them with the Tati palette. And I'm also getting the Controversy palette, the mini. I ordered it after I'd ordered this on the day of the launch when they had 60,000 left. I ordered it then and I got it, so I haven't got it yet. So I do love the Conspiracy palette. I think it's beautiful. The colors are beautiful. The pigment, the formula is awesome. It blends so well. I would definitely recommend, especially like the mini palette. Now the mini palette to me doesn't look as versatile, but that's why I didn't order it in the first place. But I watched Brianna Fox do an eye look with it when she first got it, because she went and got it from the Morphe store, I think. So she got it right away, and oh my gosh, that look was so pretty. I had to have it, so I ordered it. I haven't got it yet, but we will do that look for sure when I get it. So anyways, but it would make a great Christmas present, except that I don't think you can get it now. I don't think they'll have it available again. But Tati's coming out with another one, and she still has some available of hers too, and hers is really good too. So, but if you're not into glitter, hers has a lot more glitter to it than this one. I think this one would be a better choice if you're not into glitter, because there's some in here. I don't think there's any glitter in here, but there are some, oh, maybe this, what is that called? Sleep Paralysis. It looks kind of glittery. And maybe this, yeah, but they're not glitters. There's no chunk to them at all. I don't know if you can see that, those two. That is Just a Theory and Sleep Paralysis. Those are the two that, oh, here's another one. Diet Cola. Let's find a clean finger. Put that one down here. See, they're more metallics though. They're not really glitters. They're awesome. I would definitely recommend this palette. It's going to be on the site though. Once they replenish it, it's a staple. It will be on Jeffree's site forever. Well, you know, for a long time after they replenish it, which should be in, actually when I was looking on when I watched the thing last night, the final to the series, it said March is when they would have another full batch available. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below what else you want to see. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And you need to follow me on Instagram too, because I'm going to do a survey on Instagram of what kind of videos are your favorites. My favorite is Amazon hauls from, you know, Best Buys, things you need, stuff like that from Amazon, because I love to shop on Amazon. I hate driving to town. And so I'm going to do one on there of what are your favorite types of videos that you watch the most of. So make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can put in your favorites. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!